Axi is the best Forex broker out there. They have the best trading condition among other Forex brokers. Axi also have free capital allocation for all their traders. I can say that Axi was designed for the success of Forex traders. This video is not sponsored by Axi. I'm sharing with you my honest review about Axi Broker. Personally, I have a trading account with Axi. To sign up with Axi, the link will be in the description below. If you sign up using my link below and deposit a minimum of $500, I will add you to my private WhatsApp group where I have about 170 traders. I provide weekly mentorship, question and answer classes, and free signals. As an Axi Select trader, you have an opportunity to be funded up to $1 million trading capital, all for free, through their program called Axi Select. Let me show you everything you need to know about Axi Broker. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Welcome to Deep Tutors. Axi is the first free funded program, like I said earlier in this video, and they fund traders capital up to $1 million. No subscription fee whatsoever. Axi is a Forex broker and they also offer funded accounts. Axi has won different awards from 2021 to 2023 as one of the best CFD brokers out there. Axi provide trading services on MT4 and also on their Axi app, live accounts, and also a demo account. Axi is a unique funded program that has the interests of traders at heart. No pro firm out there beats Axi funding program. Some of these pro firms have gone out of business, like My Forex Fund and so many other pro firms. But Axi Select don't sell their trading challenges. You can imagine the things they do to traders. Some of them deny payouts, some of them slippage, and so many other complaints from different traders. But Axi Select funding program beats all these pro firms. How do you get funded with Axi? Just create an Axi account and deposit a minimum of $500 to $1,000. Remember, you can actually deposit more. The minimum you need to have in your trading account is $500. For you to sign up with Axi, the link will be in the description below. Once you deposit the $500 in your trading account, you need to start trading. The same strategy and the same style you are trading. If you're a high-risk trader, if you're a scalper, if you're a day trader, if you're a swing trader, just trade the way you are trading. Now here is where the exciting thing begins. When you start trading your live account in Axi, there is no rule, there is no challenge phase, and you're not trading a demo account. All you are trading is live account. Just prove that you have a trading skills. Just prove to Axi that you know what you're doing, you make money, and Axi will fund you. If you prove to Axi that you know what you're doing, by increasing your edge score. Your edge score is determined by how you are trading. And once your edge score increases, Axi can start funding you from $100,000 to $200,000 all the way to $1 million. Just with 20 trades on your personal account, which is the minimum deposit is $500, Axi can determine whether you have already reached an edge score of 50. Now what that means is that Axi will be watching how you trade. So if your edge score gets to 50, you will qualify for the first funding program, which is $5,000 funding. Someone might have a question, how does your edge score being calculated? Your edge score is being calculated by different metrics in Axi. Axi will look at your skills, your risk, your consistency, and your experience level. They will put all these things together for them to evaluate and know the exact edge score. Now, they are not doing this thing by themselves. They have a system that does it on their back office. Now, and once your edge score increases, so your funding allocation increases. Remember, this funding is free. If you have an edge score of 50, you will be funded $5,000. If your edge score grows to 60, you'll be funded $200,000 and $500,000. If your edge score goes to 90, you'll be funded $1 million. Remember, your personal account and your funded account is different. So if you're trading on your personal account, you make money as well. And as you trade on your funded account, you make money as well. Meaning that you make money on both accounts. And what happens is when you take trade on your personal account, it automatically copies on your funded account. So it doesn't mean that you have two different accounts. It means that as you are trading on your personal account, Axi is copying that trade that you take on your personal account to your funding account. Let's say, for example, you funded $1,000. If you're taking trade on your personal account, Axi will be copying it on your funded account. And in your personal account, you keep 100% profit that you make on your personal account to yourself. And on the funded account, you keep up to 90% profit share. This is amazing. And the beautiful part of this funded account, you're not paying any money to get it. To sign up with Axi, the link will be in the description of this video. Just check the description button and sign up right now. There are 6 different stages of funding with Axi. In 6 months, you can unlock a trading capital of $1 million and with a profit sharing ratio of 90-10, meaning that you as a trader will go home with the 90% of the profit and Axi takes 10% of the profit. This is the funding stage of Axi. They have the seed phase, which is $5,000, incubation stage $20,000, acceleration stage $100,000, pro stage $200,000, pro 500,000, and pro M $1 million. And you cannot skip any of the stages. You have to go one after the other. For me, this was designed for the success of traders, not that you just jump into a trading account. Let's say, for example, you only used to trade $500, you jump into trading $200,000 accounts. It has a way of affecting your psychology. So with this funding program, you move to different capital stage by stage. Why is Axi the best funding program? The first one is no trading restriction. Trade whatever you want and however you want. And no rules, no consistency rules, and no rule of any kind. Some of these pro firm has hidden rule, of which you know about their hidden rule once you are funded live. But with Axi Select program, there is nothing like that. Amazingly, there is no registration fee. You don't have to pay anything, like I said, and also there is no evaluation stage. If Axi Select funds you, you are getting a live funded account. Now, this is the funding table, what you need to get to for you to move to the next level. For example, like I said, if you have an edge score of 50, you'll be funded $5,000. If you have an edge score of 60, you'll be funded $20,000. If you have an edge score of 70, you'll be funded $100,000. Edge score of 90, you'll be funded $200,000. Edge score of 90, you'll be funded $500,000. Edge score of 90, you'll be funded $1 million. And guys, for you to get to these different edge score, these are the minimum trade you have to take on your account. On the first trade, you just have to take first 20 trade. The second one, first 40 trade, first 50 trade, just 50 trades for you to get up to $1 million in funding. For you to see that Axi was designed for the success of traders. Axi has something called 10% maximum drawdown. Now, when you have a 10% maximum drawdown, you don't lose your account and you don't lose your personal account. And you haven't even breached the rule. Now, what happened is you enter into a stage of quarantine. Now, what it means is that your funded account, you will no longer be trading on your funded account after 2 weeks, but you'll be trading on your personal account. So during that 2 weeks, your personal account, you can trade on it, but your funded account, you won't trade on it. But after 2 weeks, your funded account will be reset. Let's say, for example, you are funded $100,000 and you breach the rule by 10%. After 2 weeks, your account will be reset to original balance. You won't even need to start recovering losses. You see why I said that Axi Select was designed for the success of traders. And once your account is being reset, you will start making money once again. In Axi Select funding, the possibilities are endless, guys. Just click on the link in the description and sign up today. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.